Hi there. Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to create a removable storage control set in Jamf Protect. From the Jamf Protect dashboard, click Device Controls in the sidebar, and then click Create. Provide a display name for the control set. I'm using USB Lockdown. Next, we need to select a default permission that will apply to all removable devices under this control set. We can choose from Read Only, Read and Write, or Prevent. I'm choosing Prevent. Below this, we can customize a display message for users who attempt to use an unapproved device. For now, I'm leaving this as is. With all removable storage devices blocked, we now have the option to configure overrides to allow specific devices through our restrictions. There are many ways this can be done: serial numbers, encryption status, manufacturer ID, and more. For more information, check out the Jamf Protect documentation linked in the description. For this example, I'm selecting Add and then choosing Serial Number. Next, select what permissions we want this override to have. In my case, Read and Write. Click Add under Serial Number Overrides and input the serial number of the approved device. Let's click Add and then Save to finalize the control set. Next, this control set needs to be added to a plan. Navigate to Plans in the sidebar, select a plan, and then click Edit. Under Removable Storage Control Set, select the set we just created. Finally, click Save, and the control set is now applied to all computers under this plan. Now, when a user attempts to use any removable storage device other than the one we've set with an override, the device will not work. If I then change removable devices and use the one we've approved with an override, it mounts correctly and is ready for normal use. For some additional practice, check out the simulation linked in the video description. Thanks for watching.